Hello, welcome back to NCG Max. Today we're going to see one logical question. If AABB equal to x square, then find x. So as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 700 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So this is number 3 question. So here given AABB equal to x square. So this is a 4-digit number. So here if you take in expanded form 1000 A plus 100 A plus 10B plus B is equal to x square. Now here you will get 1100 A plus 11B is equal to x square. You can take 11 common. 100 A plus B equal to x square. So here this 100 A plus B should be a multiple of 11, and A plus B should be divisible by 11. The sum of A plus B should be divisible by 11 now. So we are writing the possible values of A and B: 9, 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, 6, 5, 5, 6, 4, 7, 3, 8, 2, 9. We know that the square of a number never ends with 2, never ends with 3, never ends with 7, never ends with 8. So B cannot be 2, 3, 7, comma 8. So what is the possible values? Possible values are 7, 7, 4, 4, 6, 6, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 2, 2, 9, 9. So these are the 4 possible values. Now the square of a number never ends with 55. The square of a number cannot end with 55. So we can neglect this value. Now if you check the values, so this value, it is not a perfect square. This value is also not a perfect square. So only possible value is, therefore only possible value or possible answer is 7744. So here the square of this number is 88 square. So therefore x square is equal to 88. X equal to 88 is the answer. So here for confirmation, if you take 5566, it is not a perfect square. 7 sevens are 49. So here you'll get 666 14. We won't get the answer. And if you take 2299 also, here 4 fours are 16. So here 699. It is also not a perfect square. Here 8. Here 9. Now you are not getting the perfect square. Therefore, the answer is x is equal to 88 now. I hope you understood the video more. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad.